I'm literally halfway through recording a completely different video and I've just found something that is absolutely amazing and I was completely wrong about this product. I'll catch you after this. So guys, as I mentioned, I was working on a completely different video tonight. I played my first ever game of Kill Team last week, and since then I've been working on a dedicated Necron Kill Team. Now that video is still going to be coming out, so if you want to see that, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and check back next week. Now, as I was doing a dedicated kill team, I thought I would go with a different colour scheme to my normal 40k army. Now, I'll be using some chipping medium and stuff like that for the full paint job, but in today's video we're going to be stopping just short of that step. Now, getting these models prepped is fairly standard. I primed them in black and then sprayed them silver afterwards. Now, I am using the airbrush for this, but that is literally just for speed. You can do the exact same thing using a brush or even a rattle can, so please don't let the fact that I'm using an airbrush put you off from checking out the rest of this video. Now, if you've seen my 40k Necrons, you'll know that I like my worn bronze colour scheme, which I get by using a couple of different metallics and a wash. Now, for this paint job, I wanted some rusty silver underneath the chipping medium, and I decided to use something different to my normal rust recipe. Now, I've actually used this product before. Way back in my Gorzag Git Stomper video, I used this, and I mentioned that I was a little bit disappointed with how it performed. Well, I was wrong, as I wasn't too worried about how this stage looked because it would be mainly covered over later on after the chipping medium. I decided to go full hog with the rust effect and I just slathered this on all over the entire model. I decided to try using it like I've seen people using products like Streaking Grime, covering the entire model and then taking it off to get the desired look. Now, this worked so much better than I ever thought it would. A quick wash of the brush and a wipe on some kitchen roll, and then I went back to the model and wiped off the excess stuff. The result that you get is that it stains the metal underneath, and then where you leave it to pool it gets darker, giving some lovely variation to the surfaces. Now, admittedly, it doesn't look super rusty per se. If you wanted to go more down that route, then you could stipple on some riser rust or another brighter orange to add that brighter rust look. But to get a tarnished bronze effect, this stuff is absolutely amazing. It basically does all 4 steps for my normal Necron recipe in one go. And the best thing about this is that it's acrylic based, which means that you don't have to mess around with white spirits like you do for other products. You can just do this with your normal brush with some water. You go back in, add more if you want to and get some darker spots, and doing this also gives it a bit of a glossy effect too if that's what you're after, to add some oily slicks or something like that. Now, these models obviously aren't finished, but you can see how nice the armour looks already. It took me about 5 minutes to do the lot. Now, side by side with my original Necrons, you can see the difference between the two colour schemes. This is a lot darker compared to my original scheme, but the speed difference between the two is absolutely huge, how much quicker it is doing this and using this product. Now, if you're looking to paint some dark rusted metal, or if you're painting the Szarekhan Necron dynasty, then this could be an absolute game changer and really speed up your painting process. I'm glad that I didn't write this product off completely, and I'm looking forward to trying it out for a few other things that I've got planned in the future. Now I just need to get back to working on this kill team and get it finished. Again, if you want to see those finished and see the full video, make sure to check back next weekend when that one's released. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this very different sort of style video, very quick fire, very off the cuff. I was literally halfway through painting something else and I came across that and thought this needs to go in its own video because I thought it'd be really handy for all you Necron players and anyone else that's wanting to paint rusty metallics, I guess. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like down below, and if you're brand new, then subscribe so you can keep up to date every time we release a new video. We've got all our affiliate links and all that sort of good stuff down in the description below if you want to help support the channel at all. That's all from me. Until next time, enjoy your hobby.